Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these algebraic equations for a plus b equals what? So to find the value of a plus b here we know that a and b are members of integer. So what to do first is, from the original equation, we are going to multiply both sides by 2. And here we have a plus 2ab plus b. So when we multiply this by 2, then equals 2 multiplied by 8. So when we open the parentheses, we are going to have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equals 16. So the next thing we are going to do here is, the first two terms here, we are going to bracket it and we add 1 to both sides. So here we have 2a plus 4ab in bracket plus 2b plus 1, everything equals 16 plus 1, and which is still the same thing, just an assumption. So for this one, we are going to factor out 2a, and here we are going to have 1 plus 2b, 2b rather, then plus, we can have this as 1 plus 2b equals 17. And looking at this, 1 plus 2b here, assume we have it as 1, which is the coefficient. And where we have 1 plus 2b common, which means we combine 2a plus 1 and we place 1 plus 2b beside it, and everything equals 17. And what this is telling us is 2a plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2b, everything equals 17. But how can we get the value of a and b that equals 17? Let's take a look at this. 17 here, the factor of 17s are only 17 multiplied by 1, or we can have it as minus 17 multiplied by minus 1. Since we consider it as integer solution, so we need to introduce negative as well. So let's start the distribution of it. Here we are going to have 2a plus 1 equals 17, and we have 1 plus 2b equals 1. Assume that a is greater than b. And while for this one, we have 2a plus 1 equals minus 17, and 1 plus 2b equals minus 1. So we assume that b is greater than a here. So to get the value of a, we consider from 1, which is 2a equals 17 minus 1, and we are going to have it as 2a equals 16, which when we divide both sides by 2, we have a equals 8. And also, to get the value of b, we consider from the second equation, which is 1 plus 2b equals 1. And when we transfer 1 to other side, we have 2b equals 0. Dividing both sides by 2, we have b equals 0, which is another value of b. And the question says find a plus b, which means we just add a and b together, which is 8 plus 0, and this equals 8. While for the negative side, if we have the first equation, which is 2a equals minus 17 minus 1, and here we have 2a equals minus 18. By dividing both sides by 2, we have a equals minus 9. And again, to get the value of b, we consider from the second equation, which is 1 plus 2b equals minus 1. And By transferring 1 to the right hand side, we have 2b equals minus 2. Then dividing both sides by 2, we have b equals minus 1, which shows that b is greater than a for this. Then to get a plus b, we are going to add the value of a and the value of b together. And here we have a plus b equals minus 10. But we need to consider something here, that for the first one I got a equals 8 and b equals 0. Then we can also interchange this to be when b is greater than a. That is, the value of b can also be a can also be 0 and b can also be equals 0 equals 8. And again, for the other part here, which is a can also be minus 1 and b can also be minus 9. Here are all the solutions to this, and we got the value of a plus b. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.